Okay, Macau is definitely back with tourism. There are so many people around. There's just like people. I'm in front of Lisboa. There's like all these buses everywhere. There's people pretty much all over the place. And we're gonna just kind of go over to that bus stop and just try to capture all the people. So yeah, it's back 100%. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're going to kind of try to navigate this big mess of people everywhere. And you got people all the way down that way, and all people just sitting here. I haven't seen this in so long, and there's massive crowds over there. I'm kind of hearing some fireworks stuff somewhere as well. But yeah, it's all back again. There's Lisboa, and massive crowds across the street. I think what we're gonna do is just kind of go we're gonna try to go over that way. Yeah, there's even people all trying to get across here, and we got the Grand Lisboa there. Then we have that big kind of circle thing. Let's try to go across here. I haven't seen this in like 3 years. It used to be like this all the time. It's kind of strange, because it is like, I don't know if it's gonna be this way for a while, or if it's just gonna be, or if it's just because of the Chinese New Year. So it's pretty much in full gear here. Okay, let's try to get across here, try to capture that, and then we're gonna look back to where we just came from. So that's the Grand Lisboa right there. All kinds of people over there. Horns, cars. It hasn't been like this in quite a while. We got like 63 seconds to wait. There's a big car, there's that van right there, this one right here. He was honking at the taxi in front of him. The taxi's in a taxi stand. So I don't know. Let's just look back. We'll look at this real quick. So these are for all the tourists, so the tourists can take these as well. There's more people coming across over here. There's this boat over there. It's just got 37 seconds, so I might as well just come over here. I hear people spitting. I haven't heard that in like 3 years either, because I've heard it because there's but the tourism of now is like, whew. I should walk all the way up to Lisboa. I'll catch it all later. So this one is going to be opening now. I think that was the glimpse of the guy that's, oh, everybody went across on the red. Got 5 seconds, so the lighting is really funny because one of them has like 70 seconds with red and then the other green, and you got like about 10 seconds between the two to get across. That's the one that goes to the bridge that I just... There we go, looks pretty cool. And I guess we're gonna take the camera right over to oops, that lady is having a hard time with her suitcase there. 73. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.